one of our major deterrents to illegal acts such as pilferage or theft. These facility changes will not be limited to Terminal 2, Chayong said. The MIAA said it is working with OTS on the vetting process and background checking on its personnel. Policies for agencies at the NAIA complex will be strictly enforced. These include prohibiting the bringing of bags by personnel who directly interact with passengers and the implementation of no pocket policy for uniforms and jackets. Yeah, that's about the no. It talks about the no pocket, no pocket policies, y'all. So it's it's pretty cool, yeah. So I mean, this is big. This is big. This is big. This is big. This is big because they are worried. They are worried. So y'all want to go check the latest? Go check out the latest blog I did talking on this matter. It's right here posted. No more pockets, jackets, etc. Go check out that blog. That blog. It's important. It's important for you to know the news around here. If you're gonna be an explorer around here, or if you're gonna be a survivor, like me, you know. You're gonna come to the Philippines. You need news. What's going on? You know. So let me just download. I'm uploading the highlights. I like to do this highlights, that way it cuts, and then I can headline the important news or the news that you want to see. PTV News. All right, so oh man, this is good news though. I like this. This is a way I can bring out the latest news. And PTV News. PTV News. This is a report from PTV News, guys. Hong Kong is giving away 1,000 free plane tickets to Filipinos. This is all right. Hong Kong wants to. It's a new tourism campaign. All right. They want to ramp up the tourism. So giving away 30,000 planes to be given for free to Filipinos as part of its campaign to bring back tourists, set to officially begin Friday, March 3rd, today. The Airport Authority of Hong Kong's AAHK World of Winners campaign will offer 500,000 free tickets for travelers. That's half a meal around the world to visit the city and experience Hong Kong as it reopens almost 3 years since COVID-19 pandemic began. Damn.